Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add or connect GoCardless to Xero. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to proceed, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser, just simply search for setting up GoCardless for Xero. And after searching that, you will get a bunch of search results. You just simply have to scroll down until you see this setting up GoCardless for Xero option directly from GoCardless Customer Hub. Tap into that option and then it will open up the Customer Hub of GoCardless. And after coming into here, it will show you all of the things that you have to do in order to connect these two accounts stepwise. Now you just simply have to read all the procedure here, which is not so long enough, and after that, after reading all this, you just simply have to tap to this here icon, and after tapping into here, you just simply have to scroll down to bottom and you will get this option of get started. In order to connect GoCardless to Xero, tap to get started and then just simply log into your Xero account into here. And after logging in your account, you will get the option to bind both of them. And this way you can very easily add GoCardless to Xero. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.